Today we're featuring a 2014 Honda Accord LX. It's a certified Honda. It's got 41,000 miles on it. It's obsidian blue and pearl in color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it's got the nice chrome door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle looks good. It is equipped with a backup camera. Alright, it is an LX, but it does have the alloys. Passenger side looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it's got the gray on gray door panels, a metallic insert, a little bit of black there, power locks, power windows, gray cloth driver's seat. It does have 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat cloth looks good. No problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your power outlet and USB down there. Dual climate controls, CD player. Your display, your backup camera is going to be right there. It is also equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 41,269 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you the display here. All right, it will display your AM/FM radio right there. Go ahead and put it in reverse for you. Engage the backup camera. I mentioned earlier, it's got the dual climate. All right, AC's been on for about 5 minutes now. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and take a look at your trunk space. Back seat, the cloth's in good shape. No issues. It does have the convenient cup holder to pull down there. The cloth is in really good shape. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Take a look at your trunk space here. Carpet's in good shape, nice and clean. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. Plenty of storage area back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. Of course, it's an LX, but it does have the alloys. Let's see what size we got here. 16-inch alloys. Right, tires are good. Plenty of tread left on them. Okay, just to recap, it's a 2014 Honda Accord LX. It's a certified unit, clean Carfax, 2 owners. Okay, 41,000 miles on it. It's been well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.